let me give you another key. Men, do you always like make your wife happy? And do you also know how you're going to make your wife happy? Have you practiced it? Have you learned from your friends or whatsoever? Or have you asked your mom? Ask them, ask your parents, or ask your dad. How do you make your wife happy? How can you do it? So now you don't need to pay any dime. I will tell you, I'll give you the method and the ways and everything how you can make your wife happy. Okay? So listen and you will understand it and you will be happy to know this. First of all, if you want to make your wife happy, first of all, give her compliments regularly. It is really important. Do you know what? It's the same thing even with God. When you are praising God, when you thank God for the one that He has done for you and the one He have not done for you, God will do more for you. Imagine it. There's nobody that you praise that will not release anything you want to release for you. So I'm here to tell you that give her what? Regular what? Compliments. Praise her. Appreciate her. Is important. So these are the way you can make her happy. Even there are some times that your wife will do some kind of things that is not right. You don't need to shout at her. You don't need to like bring quarrel and all those things. You can correct her in a polite way. You can even compliment her. All those things, women love it. Women love when you compliment them. Women love when you praise them. Women love it so much. You understand? So if you want to win your woman heart more, compliment her, make her happy, appreciate her. Okay? Oh, thank you, my darling. Since you come into my life, you are just the best for me. Since you come into my life, see these beautiful children you give to me. Since you have been giving me good food. See the way I'm looking healthy. I'm not sick. You clean my house. You do this. You know, please, man, you need this. Compliment her. Another one again, go chop with her. Go chopping. Women love this. So women, they don't love being indoor 24 hours. Sometimes when you have money, if you see salary, take her out. If you take her out, they ask her to pick anything she wants. It's part of love. This make women happy. You know, she'll even be saying it to her friends. Do you know what, ma? We just go outside. We go to this place. I've never been to this kind of place before, but my husband just took us out. We have fun. It's part of love. This is make women happy. I'm telling you the fact. Another one again, don't stress her out too. Women, they don't love when you stress them out. No. So when you don't stress your wife out, why won't she love you? She will love you. When you don't shout at her, you don't speak negative things towards her, she will love you. Another one again we're quickly going to check is what? Be honest to her. Let your yes be yes. Let your no be no. Women love it. That's how to make women happy. When you are going to this place, make sure that place you are going to, even when you change your mind, try and call her. Please, honey, I've changed my mind to visit my friend for somewhere or close to where I'm going to. Simple as ABC. Let your yes be yes and let your no be no. When you don't have money, let your wife know you don't have money. When you have the money, let your wife know. All those things, let your wife, just be honest to your wife, okay? Women love it. When you tell them, women love it. When they have, they can assist you, but they don't love lies. Just be honest to her. Buy her gift. You know her best gift. You can buy her, like I said before. Buy her gift. You understand? Sometimes when you're coming from work or from anywhere, buy her gift. You know what she love. You know what she like. You can buy her gift. All those things make women happy. You can make your wife happy. Okay? Another one again, give her money. There's no woman or even your wife that doesn't love money. Yes, all women, they love money. And you understand? Yeah, I'm not saying desperate way. Normal, they love money. When you give them money, you don't need to wait for that woman to come and tell you to come and give her money. No. You have to like give her. You'll say, oh, sweetheart, please just take this money. For what? For yourself. For your upkeep. So anything she want to like buy or she want to take care of herself or anything secret, you can go and do it. Women love money. So in any relationship or in any marriage, you have to try much as possible to be giving your wife what? Money. Immediately you receive salary. You understand? If you don't even have your wife, you understand. But if you will have, try much as possible to give to her. Especially when you receive salary. It will make her happy. You understand? So that is it. Always give what? Her money. That is how to make your woman happy. Another one again, don't look at another women. This one is also common. It's like cheating side. You understand? Don't look at other girls when you're married. All those things. Try much as possible to avoid all those emotional fear or cheating and all those things. Women, they are all jealous. So all those things doesn't make them happy. So what make her happy? When you don't look at another woman, you're not cheating on her. She's very, very happy. Because the reason why I said she's very, very happy is that She will feel that you are not going to bring deadly diseases to her, and she feels that she's the only woman in your life. She will be happy. You understand? So all those things make woman what? Happy. And be a friend. Another part of it. Be a friend. Some husband can be like a stranger to their wife. Be friendly with your, with your wife. Ask her question, play with her, have time for her, all those things. Then respect her opinion. Maybe, for example, now there are some things that both of you want to discuss, how you want to achieve this or you want to achieve this. Then you are discussing it with your wife or with your woman. She can bring us, okay, let's do it this way. I think it will be better, right? You respect her opinion. There are lots of married men. They normally do this. The way they will shout at their wife like she's dumb, she's nothing, she has nothing to contribute. Come on, let me tell you something. Women, they are very intelligent and smart too. It's not only men that are intelligent. I'm telling you the fact. Women see faster than men, and women are very smart. God bless them with that wisdom. I'm telling you. So always what? Respect her opinion. You understand? So another one again, give her attentions. Women, this is number one key. If you want to make a woman happy, give her attentions. Anytime she needs your attentions, just give her. What I mean by that, maybe she want to explain some things to you, how work goes, how she do this and that. So you have to like try and possible to give her that attentions. At least 30 minutes, 20 minutes will never would kill you as a husband. So these are the things you need to what, do. Give her attentions and also give her space. Maybe she want to go and visit her families, her friends. You want to go and fun. You want to go to like birthday party with a best friend, a girlfriend. Woman to woman. Free her. It's part of freedom. You understand? If you don't free her, she want to go to this place. You don't free her. She will not be happy with you. Maybe she want to go to church. You say no. You have to sit down at home today. Every time you restrict her from many movements. She will not be happy, you understand, because she love freedom, just likewise like you as husband. So a lot of points are just being there, what make woman happy. So, but these are the few ones that you can do for your wife. It is, if you follow this step I just told you, there are about 12, I believe you, your wife will love you more. Okay?